Alright, welcome to the live stream. How is everyone doing today? Does everything sound okay? Let me check it out here. Today we're just gonna be working on making like a little channel trailer. Alright. So I got this song here off Artlist. I actually gotta make sure you can hear that. I have it set up different for tutorials, so it doesn't work with the stream. And I forgot to change it. Hello, what's up, Clinton man? Good evening. I bim one Oreo. Alright, can you guys hear that music? Looks like you can. That might be too loud then. Let me know what it's like. Alright. So I'm thinking kind of a fast pace like intro here. We'll start on this hit. And we'll have like welcome. Welcome is the first text. Yeah, loud and clear. That's good. Alright. And I think I'm gonna use the WorkSans font. That's not the WorkSans font. There we go. Has a lot of variations and it looks really good. I think that's a good size. And then I think I'm gonna use some tracking as the animation. Again, just nice and fast paced. Alright, let's try that. Okay, we'll start with that. Not sure what a channel trailer is. Any examples? So, like when you go to my channel, like right now the live stream is the featured thing. And this is going to be kind of like a featured video that everyone's going to see when they visit my channel for the first time. Yeah, stick around and you'll see. I don't have any examples. I'm sure some other channels have it that you could look at, but I can't show any of them on stream. Hey, welcome, Club Brick. Yeah, it's an intro to a video. It's an intro to a video on YouTube. Yeah, well, it's not exactly that. This is just gonna be like channel wide, like it's not gonna be in every video, if that makes sense. A lot of stomp videos don't really ease in and out. Wait, you don't want me to ease in and out, or you're just saying like other videos don't? Sorry. Might just be misunderstanding that. Alright, let's have this ease out a bunch. We're actually gonna have it end on this clap here. Like that. You can if you want to sing. Okay. We actually need to offset this. Something like that. Oh, just because it's fast-paced. Yeah. Um, we'll see. I'm kind of liking how this is looking so far. I could have it like fade in. So I'm trying to think of what I want the next animation to be here. I think I might just make this one a cut. And then do something fancy on the next one. Should make the clips, then work on the timing. Okay. Where did I learn Davinci? I've been asking everyone in Discord and have gotten some interesting responses. Let's see where. I've just taught myself off of YouTube videos, and then just playing around in it. And yeah, I watch a bunch of the tutorials that get posted. But I started with Casey Ferris and JRTV. They were like the only two people. Oh, that and Mr. Media. But anyways. I'm just gonna do... should I do all caps or just some caps? Like all caps or just some of the words? Or just the first letters, sorry. I'm just gonna copy the size from the last one here so that the size matches up. Most people learn from YouTube. Yeah, that's really the best training source right now. There's not like any courses on like Skillshare, or that many at least. There might be some. Yep. I would agree. They also had the same thing from Casey. Yeah. I mean, they were the first people. That's why, like, Casey Ferris has over 100,000 subscribers. Okay, let me just listen to music. So I'm thinking, so Clinton, man, you sent me a video. It was those, like the ball animations. I'm thinking of doing something like this for the transition. Or something like that for the transition. So I'm gonna have like the ball drop down onto the eye, and then it'll roll across and like flip it around to the next text. Does that make sense? I think it does. So I'll have the ball drop down, and yeah, I'll work on the timing after then. Alright. Let me just set this up as an expression here. There we go. Good luck with that. Alright. Have you tried it at all? Try to get it working? I think that's pretty good for size. Keyframe, come up. I'll actually move this off to the side so it comes at like an angle. I think that's going to be what I'm going to want. I'm going to copy the Y value so it'll always land at the same height. That comes up, comes down. So far we've got... Yeah, this should work eventually. All right. Do shapes always have to have a background node to adjust the color? Yeah. Well, I mean, it works best with the color. Like, I think you can just attach them into like a merge. Believe you can? Yeah, you can. But you just need to use the background to adjust the color. And it's just easier using the background. Not to be technical, but it should land at the same height. Are you meaning the second points here? Like it should come up higher or something? Land at the same height. Oh, it should not. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have these come down. That might be too much, actually. I think I added rotation on accident. Yeah, I did. Okay. That's looking good. Great. I'm running out of text here. Let's see. Is there gonna be an easy way to make it so that this is smooth, like rounded? Is there just like something you can press? Haven't actually used these that much. For it to be, no, that's not it. Oh wait, smooth points maybe. No. Oh, do I need to select multiple for that? No. There we go. That looks... That's interesting animation. So let's undo that. So really only these top ones here need to be smooth. Why can't I select that? There we go. Now will that work? It will. But smooth too much. So is there an easy way just to fix that? And it can just go like this, but... Okay, there we go. Now in the spline editor, let's see. I want to hit F. I actually only want to do that on every other. So not this one, but this one needs... So that should look right. There we go, that's looking a little better. Hey, welcome to the stream. Now I just need to get all the timing right here to speed it up. Or speed it up as it goes along. Might be a little fast. Yeah, it still is a little fast there. No, it's not that one. It's the one after it. Let's see. Oh, I didn't smooth that keyframe for some reason. Let me just reset this. I think I messed something up. So this one, then this one, that one, and that one. There, that's looking a lot better. All right. Let's see. I think I'm going to... I just want to find an easy way to like retime these to get them all to be the same speed. Let's just try something like this. Yeah, that's looking good. Hey, gamer forever, have it fall off the screen. Yeah, so what I want it to do is like it'll fall off the edge of the text here, and then the text will start rotating, and it'll spin all the way up around, and when it comes around, the text will be different. If that makes sense. We'll see if I can do it. I'm hoping I can. Let's try this. We'll smooth it. And then ease that a little bit. Still seems a little jerky to me. Like it jumps a little too much. I think I'm gonna try and compress all this, so it's less. Huh, can't grab the rotation thing here. There we go. I just kind of want to shrink this so that it has more time just to roll on the text instead of bounce. It's still not going to have too much time for that, but that's fine. There we go. Yeah, it seems to stop just a little too much or ease a little too much. So I'll reset it again. And on each of these, I'll just bring it down a little bit. Okay, let's try that. We'll see if that works. And then right about here we can start having it spin. And we'll have it all the way flipped around. I'm not sure if 360 degrees is gonna work. Let's try it though. And this will just ease out like all the way. There we go. Yeah, 180 might be what we have to do. Can you guys hear me fine? My dashboard's telling me that I'm not streaming at a good bit rate. Oh, what? There we go, so we'll have some sort of transition here. That kind of hides up the bad text animation as well. What should have thought about the text that I want to use here a little bit more. Let's see, we'll just do example text for now. Or next text. And in the merge, we can just flip it. And in this transform, we'll do a cut right here between the two. So we'll do that at a keyframe. I need to flip it this way as well. There we go. Okay, and then we can add motion blur. Bring the angle up a good amount so it's nice and blurry. Okay. We'll try playing this now. Also do have super chats enabled now, so if anyone wants to do that, that'd be helpful. Help the channel out. Yeah, it just doesn't seem like fast enough. I could just speed it all up. Yeah. I'm not sure about this actually. I'll have to play around with those animations a little bit more. Let me watch that video again. That was sent to me. Alright. Oh yeah, he kind of did it in a totally different scenario. Okay. Well, I have another idea then. Because this one didn't really work out. Let's merge all this up again. There we go. So, I'm gonna do, it'll be like, I'm Jake, and then I'm a motion graphics designer, and it'll switch out. So like right here on this clap. So what I'll do is have this one just be and then this text we can merge up and do Jake. And use a transform. And what I'll do is I'll use a grid effect here so I can get it all positioned and centered right. Alright. Okay, we'll do something like that. Actually, I want there to be one in the middle. There. That should help. So this one. That looks like it's centered, or close. Close to being centered. I like that. So then we'll add a keyframe on this one. And this one will just slide up fast. And then the next text that comes in, or I'm actually going to do Davinci Resolve User. I'll have to scale this one down. I'll add a keyframe there. Actually, before we animate it, we should get all the final positions figured out. So we'll scale this one down to be about the same size. I think this could be a little bigger. There we go. We'll do something like that. Otherwise it's going to get too big. So we'll scale the in down. I forgot to put an in here. So now I need to scale it down a little more. Whoops. Okay, now let's animate it. Keyframe. So this one will come down. And this one will scale back up and come back into its spot. So it's going to do some animation like that. But we can bring that text up. We'll have rectangle masks. Into this text. And add a soft edge. So when that comes up, it'll like fade off. And then we can just ease everything. Selecting all the tools. And play around with timing. I'm going to have this one start sooner. So something like that. How's that look? There's something off about it to me. If I just remove the rectangle, would that look better? If it came up from the bottom here. So we'll set this one to be all the way up top. And this one to be all the way at the bottom. But then the animations need to happen at the same time. Take this away then. And let it run around. Except that all needs to happen way faster right here. Alright. We can speed that up pretty easy though. Just by going like that. That, or instead of the text coming up from the bottom, let's grab the final y value, which is going to be 0.5. So we'll get on the keyframe, set this to 0.5, and have it about right there. That's kind of weird. Don't know what just happened there. Alright, I think I just crashed Davinci Resolve. Give me 1 second. I'm just gonna go into Task Manager and force close it here. I seem to crash Davinci Resolve a lot. Is my chat still working? Yeah. Okay. Let me know if anyone has any questions. I will do my best to answer them. Alright, this is just opening up now. Take just a minute. Alright, here it's coming. Takes a little while to open up. Alright, here we are. Let me open up the display capture now. Okay, I'm gonna go in and change the animation of what I wanted. Actually, I wonder if I just made the animation like a little faster. If I select that, I make these both like 80 to 90. Oh, that doesn't really help. Okay, let's just undo that. Is this back? Is this working? Because I'm not getting any data on my watch page here. I feel like my stream might be lagging. Sorry about that if it is. Anyways, what I'm going to be doing here is taking this rectangle, putting it into this merge, and setting the center to be connected to path 1. No, that's the wrong path. Path 2 is what I meant. Oh, again, not path 2. Thought I animated it in the order that they move in. Or that they're in on the node graph here. Anyways, I'll set the width to be 1, the height to be 1, and add a transform node after this rectangle. What I can do with this is offset where the mask is. So I can effectively make it right at the edge of the M here. But then we want to invert the mask. So now this is what we have. Have all the text coming out. There we go. Now I just need to go through and refine all the animations again then. So I think I'm gonna use time stretch and make it longer. But then adjust the ease values a lot here. Just something like that. Let's watch it then. Let me try restarting the stream here. I'm not sure why this isn't working. Okay, hopefully I'm back up here. Okay, I think if the Jake text comes up a little sooner, that'll be good. So let's just shift that up. There we go, I think that looks pretty good. It's too loud, there we go. What color should I have the background, or what should I do for background animations? We're going to cut this here. And I think I'll make like an animation of like a portfolio like building together or something. So I'll do a background and I'll set this to the size that I want the portfolio thing to be. So uncheck auto res, the width will go down, and the height can be whatever I want it to be. And 904, 904, and this was 1388. There. Now I can just merge stuff up on top of this. And like this will be the background color of it. Paste it again. And we can add in some like little rectangles on top of it here. Or something like that. And then I can just add a bunch of little squares here. actually don't like that banner up top. Not sure how this is gonna look. Should actually make this small enough so you can have 3. And this one will be at 0.5. About right there. And let's get them all centered. Okay. Can I move all of these at once somehow? Not easily. Okay. I'll just move this one down. Copy the X position and put it in the other ones. Not the X position, the Y position. There we go. And something like that. I'm actually going to have to end the stream for today. Hopefully I can continue this project down the road. But have a good rest of your day, guys.